Hello everyone. Today's topic is the spiral model in SDLC, a crucial framework for software development. At its core, it's an iterative, risk-driven approach where each loop reduces uncertainty and increases product maturity. The key idea is simple. In large or ambiguous projects, you prioritize and retire risks first, then expand. Let's walk through the 4 steps of the spiral model, which Barry Boehm introduced in 1986. First, planning and definition. Clarify the objective of this cycle and the constraints. Keep it tight. Focus on this loop's goal rather than finalizing everything. This phase involves defining objectives, requirements, and constraints, along with a feasibility analysis. Second, risk analysis. Identify technical, schedule, and requirement risks. Use prototyping or spikes to make risks observable early. Mitigation strategies are developed to address high-priority risks. Third, development and build. Implement the smallest increments that validate assumptions. Aim for clear acceptance criteria, not perfection. This phase produces the actual software product, often with prototypes for customer feedback. Fourth, customer evaluation and review. Demo, collect feedback, and feed it directly into the risk backlog and the next loop's plan. This phase ensures continuous improvement and alignment with project objectives, with deliverables assessed against objectives. Characteristics at a glance. Strengths: disciplined risk management, progressive requirements discovery, and suitability for large, complex systems. Caveats: higher management complexity and a need for strong risk management skills to avoid ceremony without substance. To remember the components, think plan, risk, build, review. This model is well suited for large, complex projects with evolving requirements. At the end of each loop, show tangible artifacts and update the risk backlog for the next loop. A quick practical example. Suppose payments are the highest risk. Set the first loop's objective to validate core PG flow. In risk analysis, prioritize auth scheme, timeouts, and refunds. In development, implement only pay/cancel/refund happy paths. In review, run a sandbox demo. If latency issues appear, pivot the next loop to resilience and retry. Keep expanding while retiring the top risk each time. Operational checklist. 1. Define goal, hypothesis, and success metric per loop in a single sentence. 2. Track risks with quantitative thresholds, e.g., greater than 98% success rate, less than 1% timeouts. 3. Script the demo and observation points so feedback is actionable. 4. Keep artifacts current, ADR, risk log, and demo notes every loop. Pro tips: combine spiral with Scrum cadences for 2 to 4 week loops when requirements shift often. Add early quality gates, performance, security, resilience to avoid late-stage rework. To wrap up, the spiral model is about risk-first iteration. Each loop plans, analyzes risks, builds the minimum, and reviews with customers, gradually retiring uncertainty and elevating quality. Ultimately, this reduces waste, surfaces quality early, and lowers failure probability in complex, high-stakes projects.